Blood is a connective tissue in fluid form. It is considered as the fluid of life because it carries oxygen from lungs to all parts of the body and carbon dioxide from all parts of the body to the lungs. It is also known as fluid of growth because it carries nutrition from digestive system and hormones from endocrine glands to all the tissues. Blood is also called the fluid of health because it protects the body against disease and gets rid of the waste products and unwanted substances by transporting them to the excretory organs like kidney. Blood is red in color. Blood contain O2 is bright red in color, while CO2 containing blood is of purple reddish color. The average volume of blood is approximately 5 liters. In newborn baby, the volume is approximately 450 milliliter. In females, it is approximately 4.5 liters. Blood is slightly alkaline and its pH in normal condition is 7.4. Blood is 5 times more viscous than water. It is due to red blood cells and plasma proteins. Blood is made up of two parts. Cellular parts form elements 45%, non-cellular part plasma 55%. There are three types of blood cells: erythrocytes are red blood cells RBC, leukocytes are white blood cells WBC, thrombocytes are platelets. All blood cells originate from stem cells and go through several developmental stages before entering the blood. Properties of RBC. Blood is a connective tissue in fluid form. Lifespan of RBCs is about 120 days. Hemoglobin in RBCs transport the respiratory gases. It transports nutrition from digestive system and hormones from endocrine glands to all the tissues. It transports waste products and unwanted substances to the excretory organs like kidney. These are non-nucleated cells present in blood. Camel is the only mammal which has nucleated RBCs. Because of the absence of nucleus in human RBCs, the DNA is also absent in it. Other organelles such as mitochondria and Golgi parts are also absent in RBCs. RBCs do not have insulin receptor and so the glucose uptake by this cell is not controlled by insulin. During circulation, the RBCs remain suspended uniformly in the blood. This property of RBCs is called suspension stability. Function of RBC: transport of oxygen. Hb in RBCs combines with O2 to form oxyhemoglobin. About 97% of oxygen is transported in the blood in the form of oxyhemoglobin. Transport of CO2. Hb in RBCs combines with CO2 and form carbihemoglobin. About 30% of CO2 is transported in this form. Hb in RBCs regulates H plus ions concentration and play a role in maintenance of acid-base balance. RBCs maintain ionic balance. Viscosity of blood. RBCs help to maintain the viscosity of blood. RBCs carry the blood group antigen like A antigen, B antigen, and Rh factor. This helps in determination of blood group.